Imagine being tasked to safeguard employees from harassment, but your job security hangs by a thread. This is the harsh reality for members of the Internal Complaints Committee or ICCs in private workplaces across India. But change may be soon on the horizon. The Supreme Court has issued a notice on a pivotal PIL addressing this issue. Let's decode what this means for workplace safety and those striving to protect it. Sexual harassment at the workplace is not just a violation of personal dignity but also a breach of fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution. Sexual harassment of women at workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act of 2013 or the POSH Act was enacted to address this pervasive issue. However, a glaring concern has emerged: the lack of security and protection for ICC members, especially in private organizations. The recent Supreme Court notice on the PIL filed by Janaki Chaudhry and another petitioner has brought these challenges to the forefront. The PIL seeks reforms that could significantly impact the workplace safety landscape in India. Let's explore the key points raised and the implications. This PIL focuses on bridging critical gaps in workplace safety mechanisms. Here is a quick summary of the main issues raised. First, security of tenure for ICC members. ICC members often face retaliation or termination for taking decisions against the management. 2. Mandatory ICC formation in all workplaces. Many private workplaces fail to constitute ICCs, leaving employees vulnerable. 3. Independence and training for ICC members. ICCs often lack the necessary independence and training to handle complaints effectively. 4. Enhanced accountability for private workspaces. The PIL emphasizes stricter enforcement mechanisms for private organizations. By issuing a notice, the Supreme Court has indicated its willingness to examine these concerns. Let's understand why each issue matters. Now, let's decide the public interest litigation and workplace reality. First, security of tenure, protecting ICC members. One of the central issues raised is the lack of job security for ICC members, especially in private organizations. Without tenure protection, members may fear retaliation or dismissal, which compromises their ability to act impartially. The case Janaki Chaudhry and another versus Ministry of Women and Children Development and others, the PIL contends that the absence of protection for ICC members undermines the objectives of the POSH Act and discourages robust enforcement of workplace safety norms. 2. ICC formation, a critical gap. Despite being mandated by the POSH Act, many private firms do not form ICCs. This leaves employees without a grievance redressal mechanism. Now, here is a fact. According to a survey by the National Commission for Women in 2023, nearly 40% of small and medium enterprises in India have not constituted ICCs. 3. Training and independence, building an effective ICCs. Most ICC members in private organizations lack the training needed to address sensitive harassment cases. Additionally, the undue influence of employers compromises the independence of ICC decisions. Justice S.K. Kaul, during a 2022 hearing on workplace harassment, remarked, "A well-trained and independent ICC is the cornerstone of workplace safety." 4. Accountability in private workspaces. The PIL also highlights that private organizations are rarely held accountable for non-compliance with the POSH Act. This regulatory gap needs urgent attention to ensure employee safety. In the case Vishaga versus State of Rajasthan, this landmark case emphasized the importance of institutional accountability in addressing workplace harassment. If you or someone you know is experiencing harassment or ICC-related challenges, here is what you can do. First, understand your rights. Read the POSH Act to familiarize yourself with its provisions. 2. Report to the ICC. Lodge a complaint with your organization's ICC. 3. Approach the district officer. If the ICC is absent or biased, contact the designated district officer under the POSH Act. 4. Legal recourse. You can file a petition in court if your complaint is not resolved effectively. 5. Seek help from NGOs and helplines. Organizations like the National Commission for Women provide guidance and legal support. Taking timely action is crucial to protecting your rights and ensuring justice. The Supreme Court has sought responses from the Union government and several state governments based on the PIL filed by Janaki Chaudhry and another petitioner. 1. Introducing tenure, security and protection from retaliation for ICC members. 2. Mandating ICCs formation across all private organizations, regardless of size. 3. Strengthening penalties for non-compliance with the POSH Act. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for stricter implementation of workplace safety laws across India. Let's quickly recap what we have discussed today. First, the PIL by Janaki Chaudhry highlights tenure security, ICC independence and stricter enforcement. 2. The absence of ICCs and proper training remains significant gaps in private organizations. 3. Victims and ICC members have actionable remedies under the POSH Act. Workplace safety is not just a legal mandate, it's a fundamental right. Cases like this one bring us closer to workplaces where dignity and respect are upheld. If you have found this discussion insightful, share it with others to raise awareness about workplace safety laws. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates on crucial legal topics. Together, we can create workplaces that prioritizes safety and equality. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.